Hey guys, we're back at it again with another video. It's Team Mazat, and what we're going to do here is make some kabab tawa. So what we got here is some ground beef, some parsley, some onion, water, flour, turmeric, salt, and finally black pepper. And if you guys want to know what the secret is to make our ground beef crispy, only my mom knows this. It's some yeast. You guys put this secret weapon, I'm telling you guys, your food's going to be nice and crispy. So now we're done with the dough. So now we're gonna do is keep it for 30 minutes under like a blanket so it can stay warm. Okay guys, so basically we're going to fry our kebab. Firstly, we started off with a high temperature. Now we brought it down to a low temperature, as you guys can see, a low temperature. And look, now it got crispy. So we're gonna, from the back, you can tell. So now we're gonna crispy it the other way, and guys, look how beautiful that is. Look how crispy that is. Now we're done our kebab tawa, and this is our final touch. We have the salad and the kebab tawa surrounding all of it. And you guys here, we're about to show you the crunch of this kebab. Oh, you guys hear that? Look how beautiful it looks on the inside. Guys, try this. You guys are not going to take an L after this one. It's always a dub. Guys, if you guys want more videos like this, like, subscribe, and share. Peace.